So do you also run Instagram lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Brevo contact for Instagram lead ads leads. So I'm an owner of a real estate agency, and to receive new leads for my business, I'm running Instagram lead ads. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically the lead received should be added as a new contact in my Brevo account, so that I can further communicate with the lead. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instagram lead ads with my Brevo account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So I run a real estate agency and I use Instagram lead ads to attract people interested in buying or renting homes. So whenever someone fills out a lead form on Instagram, I want to reach out to them quickly before they start looking elsewhere. So by automatically adding these leads as a contacts in Brevo, I can instantly send them follow-up emails with property listing, virtual tour links, or information about upcoming open houses. This helps me stay engaged with the potential buyers, build trust, and guide them toward the right property. Automating this process saves me time and ensures I don't miss any valuable leads, helping me close deals faster. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Instagram lead ad with my Brevo account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built. So here before moving forward with the working, let me tell you that here I've connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page, which is named as Prime Properties, and here I'm running a test campaign for my Instagram lead ad where I've connected my Instagram lead ad form. So now here I've already built an automation by connecting all these applications, and now here to see the working of this automation, we are going to generate a test lead using a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So now here you can see my lead ad form where I've filled some details such as type of property you're interested in, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, and the zip code. And now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to generate a new lead through this form, then automatically a new contact should be created in my Brevo account. So now let's check it. So here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully made a form submission and it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Brevo account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact in our Brevo account with the name demo user. Here you can see the first name and the last name. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your Instagram lead ad with your Brevo account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Brevo contact for Instagram lead ads leads, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see all the folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Instagram lead ads. So Instagram lead ads are a type of ad that lets businesses collect information from potential customers directly within Instagram. So when users clicks on the ad, they see a form where they can easily provide their contact details or answer questions without leaving the app. So here in my Instagram lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that when you're going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, I'm going to click on this connect given over here. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account that I've already connected with my Instagram. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page that I've already connected with the name Prime Properties. So here in my Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my page as Prime Properties. And now here, after selecting my page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here, to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my ads manager, and here in my Meta Ads Manager, you can see the form that I've connected with the name lead form new. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form new. And now here, after selecting my page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here, after clicking on the save and send test request, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here, to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad. So for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. And now here, to generate another test lead, we need to delete our previous lead. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here, to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead, and after that I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again, here I'm going to select my page as Prime Properties and my form as lead form new. And now here, to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here, for the type of property you're interested in, I'm going to select rental property. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. Here for the street address, I'm going to enter 123, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh. Here for the zip code, I'm going to select the country as India. And here I'm going to enter a zip code. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead in our Instagram lead ad form. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the type of property, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through Instagram lead ad, I want to add the lead received as a new contact in my Brevo account. So for that, I need to connect my Brevo with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Brevo. So, Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, is the marketing platform that helps businesses with email marketing, automation, and customer communication. It makes it easy to send newsletters, automate follow ups, and manage contacts. So, here in my Brevo action step, I'm going to select my action event task, create or update a contact, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically and instantly a new contact should be created for the same in my Brevo account. And now here to connect my Brevo with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Brevo account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the domain and the API key. So here to get this domain, let me take you to the Brevo account. So here in this URL, you can see my domain name, that is brevo.com. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see my domain is already entered over here. So now let's move to the API key, and here to get this API key, we are going to follow the instructions given over here. And now again here I'm going to take you to my Brevo account, and this time we are going to click on this connect given in the top right corner, and from here we are going to select SMTP and API. And here under SMTP and API you can see we have received two options, that is SMTP and the API keys. So here I'm going to select API keys, and here I'm going to generate a new API key by clicking on this generate a new API key. And now here I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is new leads, and then I'm going to generate it. And now here I'm going to copy this API key, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the API key. Now here after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on this save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the email. So here instead of entering the email manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the email. So this is my leads email. So I'm going to map it moving forward. And then here it is asking me, do you want to use email blacklisted? So for that I'm going to select true. Do you want to use SMS blacklisted? True. Here for the list, I'm going to select the list where I want to add the new lead. So here I'm going to select the list which is named as new list over here, under which I want to create a new contact. Scrolling little down, update enable. For that I'm going to select true. Here this SMT blacklist sender is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And then here it is asking me for the last name and first name. So again here I'm going to map the details. So this is the last name, and here I'm going to map the first name. Moving forward, again this SMS and other fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the WhatsApp, let's suppose here we are going to map the phone number of our lead. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the ID. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Brevo account for the new lead received through our Instagram lead ads. So now let's go and check our Brevo account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy user. Here you can see the contact number and the first name and last name. So with this, we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instagram lead ads and our action as Brevo, so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically the lead received is going to be added as a new contact in our Brevo account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Brevo contact for Instagram lead ads leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.